It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I, every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I, every attitude. Who cares?
Okay, yeah, I'm on my way home. I went to Bath and Body Works. I was only gonna grab my BOPIS order. And when I tell you this combo in this bag is amazing. I smell it and nothing is open. It is, oh my goodness, it smells so good. But I'm gonna come back with that, y'all. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, walk in, all the stuff. Anything I post, if you're watching, you are my MVP. My MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. As y'all do see, I am driving. But when I come back, I'ma do a haul. Hopefully my online order has made it, been delivered, because it was supposed to be delivered Sunday, and then they said yesterday, and now they're saying today. So we shall see. Hopefully it is, and I could put that in this video. If not, I might not even do a video on that. Now this BOPIS order I got was I think they had like a 10 off sale plus that 20% coupon, and I actually wasn't gonna even order, but I changed my mind. Now that I picked my order up, I kind of wish I ordered more, but it's not a big deal because I still have those 6 candles at home that I'm going to exchange out. So I might go back tomorrow, but then again, now I might wait and just go back Friday. Goodness gracious, these potholes is ridiculous. Yeah, I might just wait until Friday to just exchange that stuff out, because it's no big deal. This combo in here, oh my god, I don't know if it's the combo of the 2 candles that I got plus the lotion. I don't know if it's that or if it's just one candle that's smelling so good. It is strong, y'all. Hopefully it throws just as strong, but we gonna see. And when I get home, I will show y'all everything. So let me get off this camera so I could drive, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home, and I want to show y'all what I got, the items I exchanged for. As y'all did see, and my hair is looking crazy, but I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna wash it and then go on with my day. But anyway, I exchanged in the store. The candles that I originally got was sugar lemonade and blueberry pie. Because I actually already have those candles, I just decided to just swap them out. I have this year's version of blueberry pie, and as far as sugar lemonade, I think I have last year's version. So I swapped out. The first thing I got for free with rewards is, y'all already know, I'm trying to get the whole collection. So yeah, I decided to grab the Copper Coconut Sand Lotion. This is so good. This is so good. If you have not gotten your hands on this Copper Coconut Sands, you playing yourself. This is so good. Oh my goodness, so good. So yeah, I did grab this free with rewards. Okay, the 2 candles I got. My store finally got it, y'all. Let me see the label. Ice lemon pound cake. Amazing in the single wick. I have not tried the 3 wick. This is my very first 3 wick in this form. Oh, but it smells so good. It smells so good. Sugar glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, and whipped cream. This is amazing. Amazing. So good. To me, they did right. This is good. And I most definitely... Now, for some reason, this version, I'm smelling more of that cake note. Yeah, for me, I'm getting more of the cake note, whereas on the single wick, I got a lot of that lemon glaze note for me. It's good. I'm just saying. Okay, they finally got that out. I was super happy to see that in the store. And then my next one is Pink Shores. Yes, y'all. Oh, can y'all see it? Pink Shores. Really pretty packaging. And yeah, I wasn't even planning on doing a video like this today at all, to be honest. But this white, pink, rose pink, it's just like all different color shades of pink. This is so cute. It's almost like a marble effect. But this is nice. This is nice, and it smells good too. So yes, this Pink Shores. Pink Shores is so nice. Beautiful packaging. All shades of pink. If you are the type of person that love pink, you will love this packaging. I like pink, but I just don't go crazy like most women for pink. I just don't. So this is so cute. Okay, so we got berries, candied berries, rosy dunes, lemon sugar, and ocean sea mist. Let's smell it. Yes, sweet berries. Yes. I'm so happy to get this. And I think what I was saying, something smell good, of course I'm smelling this. Because as soon as I smelled it, I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm smelling. I thought it was a mixture of the 2 candles, but no. It's this Copper Coconut Sands. That's what I was smelling. This is nice. This most definitely is berries, sweet, sugary, like. Not super sweet, smelling it on cold. But it's nice. I like it. She likes it. If y'all remember that, the Mikey commercial. He likes it. Y'all might be too young. But anyway, that's everything that I got from my BOPIS order, my exchange. So yeah, those are all the things I got. Leave in the comments, what did you buy on with your 20% coupon? Leave that in the comments. Because I'm just kind of curious who all shop, what did you buy, things like that. Have you got your hands on the 3 wick lemon pound cake candle? Have you got your hands on that one? As well as these new spring, I guess it'd be spring 3 collection candles. Have you smelled these yet as well? Because I know they're starting to put them out. Everything should be out April 3rd. So we shall see, y'all. So yeah, leave comments. Don't forget, y'all better grab this before it's gone. I'm just saying. So yeah, leave in the comments, what did you buy with your 20% coupon? Have you smelled those new candles? And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, follow me on my social media, follow or use my hashtag, and I will see y'all in the next video. And hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.